Hi guys, today I want to teach you how to install Windows. I'll be happy to support and subscribe my channel. Thank you. The most important thing to do before installing Windows is to rename the Windows driver. It doesn't matter what letter you put on the driver. Just give it a name that you will remember. Here I put PC, for example. You can give everything. Cut all available files on the desktop, and after cutting the files, put them in the driver other than the Windows driver, because the files in the Windows driver will be completely deleted. If you have a DVD burner or DVD writer, insert the Windows CD into it. But if you don't have it, you should use flash memory. You must first download ImageBurn and Rufus application. Put a Windows CD in another computer that has a DVD burner. Open ImageBurn software. And select create image file from disk. Create image file from disk. First, you should put Windows CD in your computer and select it from here. Select the Windows CD from here, and then press this button. Because I don't have Windows CD installation software, there's nothing here. Now insert the flash memory. Well, with the ImageBurn software, as you remember, convert the content of the Windows CD to the ISO file. This is ISO file. Now we use ISO file to boot the flash. First, open Rufus software, and your flash should be. You should insert your flash, and everything is okay. And the button is not active because I did this before. Click the start button, and it takes about 10 minutes to complete the process. Okay. I remind you again, if you have a CD, if you have a DVD-ROM or Windows DVD, you don't need to go through the previous steps, include to using Rufus or ImageBurn software. You can do the process from this part of video. Well, insert the CD or flash drive, then press the F9 key. This key may be different for your laptop. Just find the boot key related to your laptop in Google according to the brand. For example, your laptop is HP. Do a Google search for the boot key, boot HP key. After finding the laptop boot key, turn it on and quickly press the boot key constantly. Okay, my boot key, my computer boot key is F9. I restart my computer and I press the F9 key constantly to get here. Now, if I want to install Windows from flash drive or flash memory, I select the USB option. If I want to install Windows from a Windows DVD, I select the DVD option. Of course, because I don't have DVD, Windows DVD, it will not be displayed here. So I select the flash option. After selecting the flash or Windows DVD from boot menu, you will enter this section and click on next. Then select the 64-bit version of Windows Enterprise. If you remember, we changed the name of the Windows driver and put the PC, which we can easily find here and delete and rebuild. After deleting the Windows drive, rebuild it and click next and wait for Windows install. So, the computer will restart again. Please don't press any of the keyboard keys. You must enter the computer name here. It doesn't matter what you enter. And you can enter the password here. And here, questions must be answered to recover the password. Windows has been successfully installed. Now we do this to bring up the desktop icon. Follow the video, please. If this video is useful for you, I'll be happy to click on subscribe button for support. Thank you very much.